birthday, Big 5-0. 5. Nauna ka sa amin. Happy birthday.
Hi, Tita Emmy. Pakilala ko lang sa iyo yung wife ko, si Anika. Anika, Tita Emmy.
Hello.
Tita Emmy, Anika. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
50 na.
Golden years.
Yeah. And, nga pala, binigreet ka namin tatlo ng happy birthday.
Hi.
Hello, happy birthday. Kamusta na lang dyan sa inyo lahat?
Surprise! Happy birthday, Emmy. You're so blessed. You turned 50. You're in the place where you want to be. So I'm very happy for you. Alam ko nakasurround lagi sa'yo ang mga nagmamahal sa'yo, especially, of course, Teddy, your biggest blessing. And I'm so happy na kamit mo ang mga gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. I wish you continued joys, continued good health, lahat ng pangarap mo matupad para sa iyong mga mahal sa buhay. At saka nakikita ko na you're progressing in your culinary skills, and that's really enviable. Right now, wala talaga akong time to hone that. So I envy you in that aspect. We just do the best we can in whatever situation you are in. So you are doing perfectly fine. Keep it up. Be inspired all the time. I miss you. I miss our bonding. Well, hindi na rin surprise to kasi andito na ako. Your good partner asked me to do this. Pinakita pa niya yung picture nating dalawa na lalabas. Actually, medyo nalungkot ako. Seeing it kagabi, naalala ko yung mga times na dumadalaw ako sa'yo. All the times that I felt down and you were there for me. I never will forget. Thank you so much. I miss you. I hope to see you again and spend some time with you. Have a great birthday party, and I hope one day we will be able to visit you there. Alam ko mababalitaan mo na I will be in Canada, but then unfortunately hindi ko makakaabot dyan sa lugar niyo. One day, God permitting, I will be there. And you also will come home, of course, and magkikita tayo. And then, ito, pareho pa rin ako, drama queen pa rin. Siguro ganun talaga habang bumabata. We just do the best we can do para magkaroon ng meaning ang buhay natin. And we remain friends forever because we need our friends in order to face the everyday struggles. And we always thankful to God for giving each other to us and being able to accept each other's shortcomings as well as yung mga nabibigay natin sa isa't isang kasiyahan. Happy birthday, my dear. Love you very much. Part 2, alam mo, tapos na. Hindi pa. Siyempre, surprise. Mukhang the same ang venue ng aming photo shoot. Kasi, tcharam! We are together for you! Tita! Dapat ako dinaanan mo lang. Yan. I hope you're happy. We're together with you. So, ayan. Happy birthday again.
Clap along if you feel like a room with
Part 3. Alam mo, tapos na, no? Siyempre, hindi pwede ang birthday nang walang handaan. Kaya naghanda kami para sa'yo. Tcharam! Bento mo, ha? Okay ba? Oh, ito ang birthday noodles mo. Okay? So, happy birthday, Emmy. Kaya lang, kami na lang kakain sa'yo. Yay! Thank you! Happy birthday! Kain na! Happy birthday!
Okay na ba? Ma'am, sa inyo na.
Bye!
clap along if you feel like a room.
Surprise! Kala mo talagang tapos na yung kanina? Hindi pa. Ito na talaga yun. Happy birthday! Ang birthday hindi nabubuo kung wala... Happy birthday! birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sammy. Happy birthday.
Mama, sa inyo po.
Sarap. Hi, Tamimi. Happy birthday. Andito kami ng Kuya Roger mo. Pag may time, magde-date lang kami. Ha? Happy birthday. Ano ba wish mo? Dagdagan na naman ang edad mo, no? Ha? So, happy birthday. Healthy life. More happiness. At saka, loving. Love you.
Mami, happy birthday. Ilang taon ka na, Mami? 34 na? Plus? Bata pa.
Tita Emmy, happy birthday! I love you! Sana marami pa tayong happy moments and kulitans. And yung cake, malapit nang ma-bake. Pasa-pasang recipe. Para business, kunyari. Para si Lola lang yung customer. Tapos tita, punta na kayo dito. Matagal-tagal na hindi nakabanding. So, I love you. We miss you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
May script si Ninang eh. As usual, luli pa rin ako sa kainan. Happy birthday. Ingat yan.
Ay tita, happy birthday po. Ingat po palagi. God bless po. Thank you po sa mga padala po. Thank you.
Ay, magandang happy. Ito mo kami nitoon. Nagkakataon sa lip ni Lola. Tapos ko tindahan.
Hello tita. Happy birthday. Thank you po. We miss you na rin po. God bless you.
Papa Amy, happy birthday po. We love you and we miss you. Happy birthday, Mama Amy. We love you and we miss you. Di ba din? Anda! Mama Amy, no, love you. Love you.
Let it go. Kanta, let it go.
Nandunay na kid sa busy. Isolation, alusay, naked, to be happy live, and no side. Akit kahe no side drive, dalalan na, dulalan si. Miss it go, that to be, oh, if dalahen no. Bawawen no, let go, oh. Ay go ka, tatoding mamis, ay strawberry ya, ikaw no bye-bye. Baya kay Lola. Tapos yung yung Frozen?
Bilis. Oops, kiri na. Dali na. Bilis, ayun na yung video. Bilis. Dali na. Tayo.
Dali. How we miss now you. Obscure. How we miss now you. Obscure. How we miss now you. How we miss now you.
Yay! Happy birthday, Mama Emmy!
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you.
Tita Emmy. Ay, walang ilaw ulit. Sorry. Tita Emmy,
Wala naman.
ilaw ka
Bakit? Ulit. Biglaan ka naman eh.
yan? Ikakat na lang. Go.
Tita Emmy, ilaw ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi you brighten up our lives. Huwag ganun! Ulit, wag ganun! Wag ganun!
Wait lang.
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room.
Ay, Tita Emmy, ilaw ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi you brighten up our lives.
Again.
Ito pa. Icing ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi you're so sweet. Ay, sige, go.
Tita Emmy, molde ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi you shape other people's lives.
Feeling ko, may time machine ka sa bahay.
Bakit?
Kasi hindi ka tumatanda eh. Okay, happy birthday and we love you so
Happy
much.
birthday!
By the way, mapa ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi we're lost without you.
Wow!
We love you so much. Happy birthday.
Again.
Say happy birthday to Mama
Happy
Emmy.
birthday, Mama Emmy!
Say happy birthday to Mama Emmy.
Happy birthday, Mama.
We love you. See you soon.